If you are tired of what seems like an endless battle against skin aging, join me and let's dive into the fascinating world of essential oils to see how they can support us to look and feel our best, no matter what age we are. If you're not ready for harsh chemicals or radical surgical interventions just to try to age gracefully, one amazing option to you is to embrace the power of essential oils in a place where science meets nature. Essential oils are an accessible portal into reconnecting with nature and how our bodies were designed to experience the joy of life, resetting bodies and minds to being empowered and healed. It's maybe not a journey you expect when you start using essential oils, but just like the law of gravity, it works on our bodies no matter what we think. So let's look at the remarkable benefits of 5 of the lesser known and lesser used essential oils for facial skin care. They are Geranium, Helichrysum, Frankincense, Ylang, and Neroli. These essential oils can rejuvenate and revitalize skin, leaving a radiant and youthful complexion. But why essential oils, you might ask? The answer lies in their remarkable ability to address the root causes of skin aging at a cellular level. Many skincare treatments on the market today are like band-aids. They circumvent the root causes of aging or problematic skin and just provide temporary solutions. They don't optimize cell function. Essential oils, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants and other nourishing compounds that work wonders for helping us look and feel our best. Let's look at Geranium essential oil first. With its astringent properties, it helps tighten and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, and it promotes a smoother complexion. Its antioxidant-rich profile helps shield our skins from free radical damage, preventing premature aging. Plus, its sweet floral scent is an instant mood booster. I love to use it for dry body brushing as it helps healthy skin glow by supporting the pathways of hormone balance. Often problematic skin is compounded by unstable hormone levels, so this oil is a great one, no matter what age you are, as your body will have specific jobs for specific hormones at certain times of your life, and Geranium will help optimize your hormone function according to where it should be at your stage of life. Then we have Helichrysum, known as the everlasting flower. It's revered for its regenerative properties. It's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds and it accelerates wound healing. It helps repair damaged skin cells. Additionally, it helps stimulate collagen production, which results in skin elasticity and firmness. This oil is so powerful, it can help with stopping a nosebleed, such as its incredible power to promote speedy tissue healing. My daughter has frequent nosebleeds when there's a change in climate, so this is one oil she keeps close at all times. Then we have frankincense, an age-old remedy treasured for its skin rejuvenating effects and anti-aging properties. Its ability to promote skin cell repair and regeneration and increased blood flow enhances our skin tones and textures and diminishes the signs of aging when used regularly. When you need frankincense, you need the frankincense with the highest therapeutic grade in the world, and it needs to be 100% pure to be potent and have a result on your skin. Then we have Ylang. This oil offers an amazingly fragrant solution to supporting skin. Its balancing regenerative properties regulate sebum production, making it ideal for both dry and oily skin types. Ylang also promotes relaxation, reduces stress-induced skin aging, because what affects the mind can affect the body and vice versa. A lot of cosmetic companies nowadays are incorporating Ylang into their skincare products, but unfortunately it's often the synthetic version that will not have the same true benefits as the pure oil. Finally, Neroli oil. This is derived from the blossoms of the bitter orange tree. It is rich in antioxidants and it has antimicrobial properties which help rejuvenate tired skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to promote a healthy and smooth glowing complexion. Its uplifting aroma also provides a boost of confidence and positivity, making it the perfect addition to your skincare routine. As we're all aware, in the world we live in today, our skins are constantly exposed to environmental stresses such as UV radiation, pollution, and oxidative stress. Over time, this leads to the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers, resulting in wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. But nature has provided us with a lot of options, one of which is using essential oils. So incorporating potent essential oils into your skincare routine not only raises your vibration when those oils are 100% pure and tested and the highest therapeutic grade on earth, but you'll get great skin too. If you're not getting the results you want on your skin for your concerns, you're welcome to download my free guide on the essential oils for skin glow for a deeper dive in supporting your body so that your skin looks its best. Also, please subscribe to my channel to learn more. I'm Sian Davidson and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.